Just waiting on people to show up. Half the class is still missing, so. "14 people and 10 to go." Some of you have some very cute rooms. Oh, Lord. Come on, peeps, let's go. Ah, oh, there's Maddie. Caroline. Come on, people. No, Livia's not coming. There's Blake. There's Beltran. There's Ruby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more people. Carson Thomas. Trust me, my Zoom will be very short, I promise. Once everybody gets on and once I start talking, literally you can time me 5 minutes. Just waiting on people to show up. I'm going to give them literally 1 minute. After that, I'm going to go ahead and get started. How the heck do you guys have fans on? It's freezing. It's a good thing you guys aren't here at school. They're working on the heater. Ethan's here. 30 seconds, peeps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Oh, there's Amber. And there's Chris. All right, I'm gonna get started. Okay, time me, 5 minutes. That's all it's gonna take. All right, so it's pretty simple. So yesterday you guys were supposed to work on your vocab. Oh, let me admit Colin. So you guys are working on your vocab. If you got that done, great. Then you guys are on track to keep working on things and getting everything turned in. By the way, everything, yes, is still going on second quarter. So when you turn in your notebook on Monday, you guys are going to be, I'm going to enter that grade in for second quarter. Okay. Let me show you what I want you to work on next. So let me share my screen really quick. Share. La-di-da. Let's not show that. Let's go to, let me go to Schoology really quick. Schoology. Okay, so obviously, like I said, you're going into this week's folder. Let me get into this week's folder. January 4th through the 8th. So what you're going to be working on is kind of like in the past, we've called them homework folders, guided readings, whatever, but this one's a really, 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 really easy one. Okay, so the assignment is right here where it says forces in motion. Let me admit Jordan. Forces in motion guided reading packet. So that's the link that you're going to go to. Click off Jordan Reed. Okay, when you open this up, I'm in Ed Reagan. Okay, It literally is going to tell you where you're going to find the answer. So for instance, obviously, first things first, you're going to put your name, and then you're just going to fill in these blanks where the blue areas are. It tells you what pages you're going to find the answer. So for instance, questions 1 through 4, you'll find on page 7 through 9. Questions 14 through 15, you'll find, or I'm sorry, the next 2 questions in graphic motion, you'll find in pages 14 through 15, and so on. Your goal today is to go all the way through this and stop at what is force. Okay, so you're going to stop here. If you want to keep going, that's totally fine with me. That'll be your assignment tomorrow. We'll go over what you're doing tomorrow in addition to this, but your goal is to get through graphing acceleration, what is acceleration, graphing motion, and describing motion. I think I counted it, and I think it's like 13 questions, and they're really, really easy. Okay, now when I mean page numbers, you're probably thinking, okay, what page numbers am I looking at? Where is this book? Okay, well, that book, get out of that. That book is actually in Schoology, same folder as this packet, where it says Prentice Hall Force and Motion book. So when I said you can find the answers to the first 4 questions on pages 7 through 9, when you open this up, it'll actually show you, here's page 6, here's page 7. So you literally will just scroll through and find the answers on pages 7 through 9. There's page 8, and then there's page 9. So they go in order of the pages, okay? So this is all you're going to need. There's no need for logging into Science Fusion or anything. So both the assignments you're working on is this one right here, the Forces in Motion Guided Reading Packet, and the Science or the Prentice Hall Forces in Motion book is what you're going to need to complete it. And again, in the packet, you're only trying to get to graphing acceleration. If you want to keep going because you have the time or you're bored out of your mind and you have your vocab done, then go ahead and keep working. So like I said, describing motion, graphing motion, what is acceleration, and graphing acceleration. Okay, that's it. That's all I got for you. Okay. So again, vocab is due Monday, but if you get it done yesterday, then you're on time to get everything done. Okay. And then this is what you're working on today. That is it. That's all I got for you. Charles is not online, so I can't yell at him. Everybody else, you guys are good. Your grades are up to date. So if you're checking progress book, keep that in mind. Oh, thanks. I was under 5 minutes. Appreciate it. I like short and sweet videos. Oh, thanks for timing me. I appreciate that, Blake. And Ricky. Again, you're going to stop, and the question was asked, where are you going to stop? You're going to stop at the end of graphing acceleration. So when it starts talking about forces, don't do any more, unless you're bored and you want to keep going, because that's going to be your assignment on another day. Some of your guys' lights are giving me seizures, which I think is funny. But I like the lights. That's like the Christmas gift of the day. All right, guys. Oh, wait, hold on. See if anybody has any other chats. Nope, I think you guys are good. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.